Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tech Carrier, and this video I will show you how we can really make awesome looking banners for a YouTube channel absolutely free without wasting any money for 10 times. Yeah, there is a limitation, but the worth the features they give just because the features are awesome. We can customize everything on your banner. So if you are seeing my channel for the first time, you can subscribe my channel to get awesome tech videos, and clicking on the bell icon may help you getting notification about what I just post. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For downloading that, you need to open up the Google. After you opens up the Google, you need to go and type ban and snacks, just like you do. And now you can see bannersnacks.com up here. Just click on that. Now click on a make a banner option up here. Now they will ask you to log in. Let me log in with my Google account. Now they will ask for single design or design set. I choosing single design. Now they will ask for what reason you are making that. I am gonna use your YouTube channel cover. And you can see some of the pre-built banners on the left side. If you really don't want to waste time by making them, so I am gonna make one on my own. You can just select colors, add heading, add stock photos, and I'm gonna type gaming. Let me find one I really likes. I think that's okay. Let me resize that to the frame. Why can't just resize that? Okay, now I get this alright. Good. Awesome, and now I think I should add it shape to that. Let me select a shape. You can just find different types of shape up here. I'm gonna select the rectangle and let me add it to the center just for giving my text more uniqueness. So, but it really won't like. And let me add the subscribe button up here. It's a 3-color subscribe button, I think so. Let me resize it and align it to the center. Alright. Let me add a heading. Yes, let me align to the center. That's it. Before I type, let me introduce you some of the settings. On the left side, you can find up here text. You can really replace the text like this. I'm gonna facing sans one. That's really look awesome. You can center line, make all text capital, small, change text size, line height, letter spacing as well. You can also change the color according to your preference. Let me add say blue color. That's okay. You can add layers, action, duplicate that also. It's really awesome. For deleting it, delete button. Okay, let me add the text that I really want to Tech Carrier. Let me change the color some more vibrant. Yeah, it's look okay. Awesome. Let me resize that and central in that. May add the body text. Okay. Central in that. Yeah, it's okay. Uploads videos today. And let me resize that to the frame. Yeah, okay. Let me change the text. I think I should use that. Let me change the text size. Perfect. And now you can also change the color in this. I'm just need the white. That's it. Awesome. You can change the gradient colors of this. I think it has 3 options up here. Let me make it that green. That's okay. And just make it green. It's like a rainbow. Oh, wow, good. That's okay. For saying that, click on the save button up here. You need to type the banner name. You can also unmark it in progress, await, feedback, news. I don't prefer that. Let me give it a name. And me name a tech carrier file just because I also made some more tech carrier. And I don't know why you're asking like that. Let me add some numbers up here. Not necessary, but this is necessary. You need to just increase the JPEG quality to 100%. Otherwise, you will get an low quality image. Here, what I really made, just view that, and you can see it's wow, it's awesome. So click on the JPEG file and preparing for downloading. Yeah, that's downloaded. Let me copy that to the desktop. And here it is, guys. It's too awesome. Yeah, this is how you can really make free banners for your YouTube channel. Absolutely free for 10 times. After that, you need to pay money for that. I think you should get something from this video. If you really get something, please subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching, guys.